Now we're gonna do a little bit of checkout. The car makes noise every time you hit a bump. Dig, 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 dig. Most common thing you want to check on any vehicle is suspension. And you hit a bump, pothole. What really happening is you're impacting the tire. The shock absorbs it. The strut mount is gonna be one of the reasons. It could be strut itself, but if that's all done like this was done not too long ago. But other than that, look into your linkage. Okay, you can wiggle these linkages around. Look at the linkages. Same thing goes for the rear, front or rear noise. Check out your bushing all the way in there. They're all connected, okay? So to check this, all you need is a pry bar such as this. And what you do is, you pretty much, you try to lift up, you move this around. If you hear any noise, you can put your fingers hand on it. And if you feel any kind of movement, unwanted movement, it's a bad sway bar linkage. Usually it's very, very, very common. If you ever have a noise, you most likely have a bad linkage or a bushing. Bushing, they will cause a soft, bumpy, dig, 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 like a rubber type of, like a basketball dribbling, a little bit softer. You can feel it in the frame of the car itself. And it's not a single noise, it'll be dual noise, like there's something moving the opposite side, both sides. The reason is, I'm gonna show you why. Okay, if you hear metal to metal, most likely it's this. It could be, like I said, your strut, it could be your linkage. It can also be your ball joint. Ball joints are hard to diagnose. You have to just lift them up, feel them. It's all about feeling play. But let me show you why you would hear a double noise. You see this? This sway bar here, it goes through the bushing. Once that bushing wears out, the hole is too wide, then it moves. Dig, 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 that's what it does. But once you hit a bump here, it travels. This sway bar moves cross, goes cross. And on the opposite side, reaction, boys and girls. Reaction on the opposite side. Dig, dig, that's what you hear. And then you come on this side, you have a linkage, shock, everything. All right, so those are the only few things I can show you how to diagnose the front end and check your control arm bushings. If they have play, most common ball joint down here. All right, most common, as I was saying, it's gonna be your linkages and bushings. And anytime you're changing your shocks, I would recommend you change your sway bar linkage. This is called a sway bar linkage. All right, it stabilizes the vehicle. So if you have bump impact on one side, it absorbs on both sides to make the car be nice and stable. Other than that, your car will be, without this, will be like like you're on a boat in the river. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. I hopefully helped you out diagnose your front end. If you guys have any question, do not hesitate to send me a message. And if you have any questions about check engine codes, anything whatsoever, send me a message. I'm willing to always check on my computer and send you a message back. But same thing goes for the back. Let's go take a little bit look in the back. I was working my brake job here. I did a good brake job video on this car. So if you guys need to do brakes on Hyundai, this is a Hyundai Tucson, and that's what it is. Okay, another thing you want to check is, you see his shock is leaking. That'd be one sign. Okay, look into shocks, your struts, and linkage is here. Same thing, you got bushing there, and this thing goes all the way across. It goes all the way across to the opposite end. All right, you see there's a bushing there, then it connects to the other side linkage right there. So it's all works, the whole mechanism works together. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. I'll hopefully help you out, and don't forget to send me a message.